Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. And I am currently at the Rochester Air Center, where this was the designated place for me to take the FAA's 107 drone pilot test. Rochester Air Center. I am finally taking the FAA's 107. Wish me luck. Fortunately, you can't have a phone in there, so you're going to be offline for a little while. Well, I was able to complete the test in an hour and 5 minutes, but I held out for the whole two hours, and I really didn't change any of the questions, and I passed it with a 73%, which was 44 questions right and 16 wrong. So, and when I went back through it, it doesn't give you the answers to the questions that you missed, but it will give you the questions that you missed. The ones that I was really worried about was the altitude and longitude questions that were in the practice tests and stuff like that, but they weren't there. So I was happy about that. I'll go over tonight some of the questions that I missed. I wasn't, of course, nothing you're able to write down. It's just what is in my memory, which is not really good. But point is, I passed. So the information will be uploaded in 24 hours. Then I get a temporary license number. Anyway, go over some of the questions as I see them in the manual that were familiar, and the ones that I missed were not familiar, so I can't complain on those. Height and altitude. There was one that really got the best of me. Well, did I pass that one? One that was kind of surprising to me was what are some of the effects of nicotine, amphetamines, and caffeine. Well, it can actually, I'm not sure what the word is for it, but you don't want to be actually drinking caffeine and stuff while you're flying, which I really didn't think anything about. The other two answers just didn't seem appropriate for those three substances, so that was kind of surprising to me. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next. Definitely now. Altitude. Alright, here I am. I had a few seconds. And I am outside. There's a sign. This would be the place to take it.